Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In my previous video, I showed you how to get started using an exciting video and audio messaging tool called Volley. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to set it up for use in classroom and professional development settings. Let's go ahead and take a look here. So I'm again in my Volley account, and I'm going to create a space. And we're going to go ahead and name this space, and we'll call it Mr. Burns Class. And we can add a little icon to it if we like, or just leave it with that default M. In this case here, I'll include this little picture, and I'll use that as our icon. Now, in this space, I'll be able to create channels for conversations. And you can see here by default, there's a couple of channels called Daily Stand-Up and Random, but you can add other ones if you would like to replace those. So I'm going to create a channel and call it Academic Help. And say, please use this channel to post questions about your homework or anything from class that you didn't quite understand. And we'll see here that everyone can participate, and by everyone, it's everyone who's in this space, not everyone in the world, not everyone who's in my account, just people who are in this space. Okay. And so I'm going to create that space, and now we see over here Academic Help. And let's say I want to create another channel, and I'm going to create a channel called Continuing Classroom Conversations. This is the place to respond to the daily current events prompts. And I'm going to now create that channel within the space as well. And again, you can see here, I can add a little icon to it if I want to, but I'll just go with the default that's created for me. And now I have my channels all set up within this space. And if I want to invite people to my space, I'm just going to copy that link and give them that link to join the space. You can see there, I can also send them an email to join the space as well. Now, if I want to get rid of one of these, let's say I want to get rid of the random one. Well, let's just go back in here to my list of channels, and let's say I want to get rid of the random. Well, I can delete that channel, and now my random channel is gone. If I want to get rid of the daily stand-up, I can once again delete that channel as well. And so now I have just these three channels within the space. And I can even rename this one. If I want to rename everyone, well, let's give it a new name. Call it Everyone is Welcome. And I'm going to say something like, please watch the first video to learn the rules of using this space. And then we'll click Done. And we have our channel set up. And so now I want to record a message for the Everyone is Welcome channel. And I'm going to do that right now. So for this space of Mr. Burns Class, I want to record a welcome message for Everyone is Welcome. And I'm going to just turn on the webcam here and start recording. And I'm going to set some ground rules for using Volley for my class. Hey class, welcome to Mr. Burns' Space on Volley. Volley is all about video, audio, and text messaging. And you can reply to each other. You can reply to me. You can ask questions of me. You can ask questions of the entire group. Couple of ground rules though. Number one, all the rules about classroom conversation also apply to the online conversation. Number two, don't use this as a place to share answers to homework assignments because I am watching and moderating everything that's happening here in the Volley chat. But other than that, have a good time, ask questions. You'll notice there's also a channel set up for academic help. Ask your questions in there if you are stuck on something. Continuing classroom conversations, that's where I'm going to have you reply to the daily current events prompts. So then I just see that posted, and we have the first video here in the Volley. And again, I could go in and write a text note and lay out the ground rules. And then post those for the group as well. But my video message should do just fine. So that's how you can set up a Volley space and channels for classroom use. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to do this for a professional development setting. And as always, for more things like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.